If you want to learn how to make rosemary and sweet almond body butter, then keep watching this video. The first thing you are going to do is add 1 cup of shea butter. If the shea butter is hard to get out, then use your hands. The next thing you will do is melt it in the microwave and keep putting it in for 30 seconds until it is all melted. Add 1 teaspoon of rosemary essential oil. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. After, add 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil. Next, stir everything together. Use an electric mixer to mix it well. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Next, you will chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. It will look like this when it is solidified. Next, you will whip it up with an electric mixer. It shouldn't take that long to whip it up. It should look very fluffy when it is done being whipped. Once it is done, store it in a clean jar for later use. Do not forget to keep it in a cool room so it will not melt.